Welcome to AI Simplified. It's all about artificial intelligence.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do Deutsche Telekom trainee program interview process video, and the job ad for this, the link is in the description. So go check it out. The first thing after application is there is a pre-assessment round on the company side. After 3 weeks after you apply to this position, you will receive a mail with further steps. Then there is a psychometric test where you have to download an application from the mobile store. There will be username and password mentioned for you in this for this exam. The approximately time will be 45 minutes and there are many games, approximately 9 to play. You have to complete this round 5 days before your hiring day. The hiring day is the big event where you have to go and have a face on face interview with the team there. I would personally feel the tip for this is, although the app has some practice rounds, better to play similar games. I know two apps, Elevate and Peak on App Store, where you can go and play games. They are all free. You get 5 games every day to play. And then this is how it looks. So you can see not only Deutsche Telekom, but there are other companies like PwC, KPMG who have their apps. You go to these apps, log in with the username and password provided to you, and then play the game. After that, there is a video interview. You have also 5 days before hiring day to complete it. There will be unlimited practice attempts for practice questions. Here you have to record video for 2 questions and send. There will be two and 20 seconds to prepare. 3 minutes answer recording. So for me, it was more like how is my experience abroad and what do I learn from this experience. A useful tip would be to read about the company and its strategy from homepage for uh, answering better. Then there is a pre-call session where they do different features of WebEx explanation application, like how can you use whiteboard and other features of it. It was for 1 hour, and one day it happens one day before the hiring day. The tip would be to check your microphone, camera, and lighting setup properly. You just don't go and attend it, that you are just okay listening to everything, and next day you go and say, okay, I will be sitting here and using this different headset. Don't do that. Use the same equipment that you are going to use for the interview, because this feedback can be very helpful. Then there is a presentation round where I we have to present an idea. So there is a group of 5 people. For me, one person didn't show up, but the all people has to present their ideas, how they can improve, or do you want to add a new department in Telecom, and why you would want to do that, why, how are the questions that you have to address in this presentation. The presentation is for 10 minutes. The tip is to try to have a nice presentation, because I see other participants who have only 2 slides in the presentation and they try to speak all about it. The good way would be to have like a proper presentation with the logo, title, thanks page, and everything, and stick to the allotted time. So I see two of my participants completing this in just less than 5 minutes. I take almost 8 minutes, so I would say just stick to the 10 minutes time, not too slow, not too fast. Then after that, there is a group discussion round. So this is happening on the hiring day, both the personal interview and the group discussion round. You have to choose an idea among the presented ones. So the people from the Dutch Telecom will also be in the call, and you all people have to have a GD round to discuss the ideas. So my idea with other 3 participant ideas, we 4 people has to come up on only one idea, and we cannot change the idea. So we cannot merge 2 ideas or do something else. One idea we have to choose. and we can discuss about the pros, cons, and everything. This is for 30 minutes, and the tip that I would give you to is try to speak as much as possible. Then there is a 15-minute feedback slot for all of the participants, and in this slot, I was told to be that I am rejected, and more if you get rejected in this is where you can get rejected, because after this we will talk about it later. The feedback they gave me is like that I am sitting too far from the camera, so they cannot see my expressions. My presentation, they said, is good, but my tone is like the same pitch during the whole presentation, and I am little bit quiet. So I told you that you should check your microphone before. And the third thing is like they said that they want somebody for the leadership role. So I'm little bit shy, and I should have like talked more and take the lead role instead of just giving some valuable feedback. There is, if you pass this round like this, if you, in feedback they say yes you are accepted, then there is one more technical round which will happen with the technical team. Someone from the technical team or from Deutsche Telekom will talk to you, and this round will be of 2 hours. After this you will get the job offer. Oh, that's all from my side. Thank you guys for listening to it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or if you have any feedback for me, or do you want me to do some more doubts, ask me some more doubts, please write in the comment, and do please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.